To do this trend, first open Pinterest and then refresh your feed and then download the first for photos. After downloading your photos, open any editing application you have and using CapCut. Now go to New Project and then add any first photo and then add the first for photos you have downloaded from Pinterest. Now select Format 9:16 and adjust the photo to full screen. Now delete the in part. Now add audio. Audio link is given below in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add text. Type the first text and then choose font and style, and then place the text. Now apply the text layer till the end of first photo. Now type the second text and then place the text. Now trim the text layer from the end of second photo. Now write all the other text and then place the text. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.